Bhikkhu? Are you there, Bhikkhu? Have you done all the arrangements?
Yes, sir, done.
Very good. Have you got the Mama Barfi, by the way?
Oops, I forgot, sir.
Don't be careless. Raju will be here any moment. Go, right, and get the Mama Barfi.
Yes, sir.
Good. Oh, Raju is here. Raju! Welcome, my kid. Welcome.
Accept my greetings, sir.
Live long, dear. How are you doing?
Well, thank you. I'm doing fine, sir. This is my son, Rishi.
Rishi, how are you, dear?
You know Rishi? He is my school teacher.
He looks just like you. This is how you were as a kid, in fact. Come on in. How are things in America?
Going on fine, sir.
And what's new?
Thanks to your blessing, all is fine, sir. I've always missed you there. I always tell Rishi about how much we learn from you.
Well, then it's a teacher's duty to impart knowledge, my dear.
Right, sir.
Come on, sit
Rishi.
down. Rishi, this is your house. Sit down.
You also have a seat, sir.
I am fine. And I've asked for chickus for you.
Why, sir?
Tell me, how is everyone back home?
All are fine. Sumi is flying down from Australia next week.
Perfect. And when did you get back?
Just last week, sir.
What? And you show up here now? And why not? Yeah, you're some engineer now. Why would you think of this poor teacher?
It's not like that, sir. I'm really tight on schedule. How could I have escaped staying a couple of days at my in-laws' house?
Oh,
I had no option, sir. By the way, what I wonder, sir, is that this place has changed so much. I thought I have got lost and reached somewhere else. Yeah, you see, there are so many good roads, there are schools, and even river has a dam. I'm very glad to see all that, sir. But, sir, how come?
Since the Reliance power plant has come here, things have changed for the better.
Yeah, my mother had told me about Reliance Power Plant over the
Okay.
phone. When did it come up, sir?
Some 13 years ago.
Okay. Sir, to tell you the truth, not even in my dreams, I thought that Dahanu will change so much. Sir, this change, this progress, has it taken away the joys of this place?
Meaning?
No. I remembered how after school we used to pluck chikus from Purohit's grove and run away.
Yeah.
And that Purohit fellow, he used to chase us holding his big belly.
Even I had whacked you for that.
I haven't forgotten that. But, sir, there's one thing. You get good crops despite the power plant being around. It's amazing.
Yeah, even I was wondering the same thing. When they set up the plant, we feared it would affect the village and our lives, but nothing like that happened.
Sir, shall we go have a look at the Reliance power plant? Anyway, I am a power plant engineer in America.
What are you saying?
Yes. Honestly speaking, the engineer in me is suddenly getting curious. I want to see the technology and everything.
Yeah, of course.
Shall we go now, sir?
Why not? Let's go.
Hey, Rishi,
Yes,
want to
sir.
see the power plant? Good.
Come on, let's
Come,
go.
Let's go.
Fine time to meet your friends.
Sir, I got chickus.
Hey, he got chickus. These are from our orchard. Here. Taste this.
Really, sir? They are still as sweet and juicy as ever.
And they, dear, this is just the first example. You've got to see more things. This is just the beginning. Let's go. Come, let's go. This is Reliance Power Plant's main entrance. Come in. Good morning. And now let's take helmets from the guard. Here. For you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come.
Let's go. Look at the beautiful roads. What a beauty to look at. See? Nice big roads.
It is beautiful, sir.
I told you.
This feels very nice. Sir, this looks more of a plantation project than a power plant.
So true.
Beautiful, sir. I remember it was a barn plot here.
That's right.
When we were kids, we played cricket here.
Even I remember that.
I still cannot believe it, sir. This lush greenery everywhere is just too good. Can't believe it.
The people at the power plant have been struggling to make this happen. They've planted variety of trees, even plants in this region. That is why there's so much greenery around.
What are you saying?
Oh yeah, and they've turned this barren plot into almost paradise.
They have completely transformed the land here. Sir, how come they have such a good variety of chicus?
That is because there's a wide variety of chicus that are planted here. After all, trees give back what you invest in them.
You had taught us that in school.
You remember, don't you?
Dad, this plant is bearing chicus too.
In fact, it is only 2 years old. That makes it even younger than you, isn't it? But isn't it bearing chicus? Some 1.5 crore mangroves have been planted on Dhanu's surrounding creeks. The salty water used to affect the land's fertility, it used to make it salty, and there was the problem of soil erosion also. That has all stopped. Now the huge waves which used to affect the farmland, even that has been fixed now. And the environment in this region, it is much more safer now.
I agree, sir.
Come, let's move ahead. Come.
Sir, we are about to enter the plant now. I think we should wear our helmets.
Oh yeah.
Rishi, put it on.
Okay. Hey Dad, what is that tall building?
No, Sam, this is not a building. This is called a chimney, okay? Let me explain you what a chimney is and what it does. It takes the smoke coming out of the plant quite high in the sky so that it doesn't hurt the villagers. So that is what the chimney does. Sir, could you tell me what could be the height of this chimney?
As far as I know, I think it stands 275 meters
Oh,
tall.
wow.
It is the tallest in Asia, by the way. Yeah, all these years Dhanu was just another spot on the map. It's because of this plant that all over India people are aware of us now.
Wonderful. Did you hear that? My God. Wow. Just great, sir. Really great. Sir, this is actually an electrostatic precipitator. And that is flue gas desulfurization unit. This is world-class technology, sir. But sir, do they use these machines here in India?
Do you know about these?
Of course, sir. I'm a power plant engineer after all.
Oh yeah.
This is considered as a cutting-edge technology. In America, only the top-class plants use it. Rishi, this is for you. Do you see that boiler? To prevent the ash from spilling out, it is collected and sifted here. And look at that chimney. Now, to prevent the sulfur from letting out in the air, this machine is used. Got it?
They showed it on TV, Dad. Sulfur causes acid rain, isn't it, Papa?
You are right, son. But this machine can now prevent all that. So this affects neither farming nor the local life. You understand?
That's right.
But sir, I still find it hard to believe that this technology is being used here in India.
Yes. And there's more to see. Come.
Come on, Rishi.
Come.
Let's go. Yeah, sir, you see this one over here? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. This way. Be careful, sir.
Sure, sure.
Just watch your step. Yeah?
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Rishi.
Careful, careful. Up there.
Sir, just a minute. Rishi, what is this? How many times I told you not to wander off, huh?
Sorry, Dad.
What sorry?
Dad, is that a river?
No. Those are the cooling channels. The water that is used to generate electricity heats up in the process. It has to be cooled down before letting it into the sea. As the hot water keeps flowing, it loses its temperature, and by the time it slowly reaches the sea, just like how you pour your tea in a saucer so that it can cool down, it is the same idea. And you know, sir, this evades any threat to all the fish in the sea.
Mr. Keskar.
Hello, sir.
Namaskar.
How come you're here?
Let me explain. Meet Raju Mohan, my student.
Hello.
Hello.
And this is Mr. Keskar, director of this place. And that is Raju's son Rishi.
Oh, that's nice.
Raju is an engineer. In fact,
Okay.
he's a power plant engineer in America.
Very nice.
Because power is his field, I thought of giving him an idea of how much progress we have done. That is why I brought him here.
Tell me, Mr. Engineer, what do you think about our plant and our technology?
Very good. In fact, it makes for an excellent example of harnessing cutting edge technology. I have one question to ask you.
Go ahead. Please don't be apprehensive.
Thank you. I just wanted to know from you that how do you really dispose of
Uh-huh.
all the ash that gets produced here every day?
Oh, yes, Mr. Engineer. I could see that question coming my way because many have inquired about it.
Naturally, because they will want to find out about the ash disposal.
I agree. I have the answer to this question. Let me take you there. Come on,
Please,
Rishi.
let's go.
Let's go.
They had to deal with a lot of ash in the olden days. Now, being in 21st century, we use the latest technology because we are Reliance after all. What we do is we use imported coal because of which minimum ash is produced. We are aware that if the ash is left open and not disposed of properly, it can be hazardous for the environment. So some of the ash is brought here to make bricks for construction. And the rest of ash is used in farming. If mixed with the soil, it enhances the land's fertility. And you see, the ash is also used in land fillings and construction of roads. Our efforts are to entirely utilize the total ash that gets produced in the plant. Over there.
Come.
This is the turbine that generates electricity. And this one is our state-of-the-art control room. Come, this is our office. This is the best thermal power plant in India. And we supply electricity all over. And you know what we...
Dad, do they give prizes to elders over here?
What for?
And these medals, trophies, and certificates? Whom do they belong to?
Oh, these! Dear son, they are all the achievements of the power plant, you understand? Aren't they?
You guessed it right. This is the Golden Peacock Environmental Award. It is in recognition of excellent environment management. It is a symbol of supreme quality. This is the Golden Peacock National Merit Award. This award celebrates not just the quality standards adopted by DTPS, but even the progress registered in other projects. Meritorious Award. This was conferred by Ministry of Power, Government of India, and was handed over by Honorable Prime Minister himself for the plant's distinctive performance. But the biggest award we have received is the love, cooperation and trust that we have got from the people of Dahanu.
That's great.
So, Mr. Keska, I shall take your leave now. Thank you very much.
Wait, I will drop you.
Come
on.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Okay.
Come.
Mr. Kesker, I really appreciate the plant and the technology being used here.
Oh, yes. With Reliance doing so many things, we are definitely proud of it. But along with the latest technology, we are emphasizing on the development of this region. We stay here, we work here, so it is important that these people progress with us. We owe it to them. One more thing. I feel great to see the developments that have taken place in Dahanu.
Hey, isn't that Pandurang? That fellow had fallen off his bicycle 2 months back and fractured his hand. He was treated at Reliance Hospital.
We at Reliance are happily committed to the wholesome progress of this region, more so than the plant's progress. See, this is Reliance Ambulance. And look over that side. Reliance has installed hand pumps for the villagers. You see, the Reliance school is over there. Looks like the day is over for the kids. They are going home.
Come on. Thank you, Mr. Kesker.
Okay,
Thank
take care.
you. Come,
Thank you.
Let's
Thank
go.
you. Bye-bye.
Bhikkhu, where are you, Bhikkhu? Come.
Sir,
Yes?
want to say something.
Go ahead.
I'm very much delighted, sir,
Mhm.
that such a world-class thermal power plant has been set up in my village. I feel so proud about this plant, sir.
Know something? Even I did not know what they have exactly set up or what goes on there. I must say that I came to know of the best new technology today. And do you know something? It took a disciple to open his master's eyes to new advances today. Guess what? I've ordered your favorite Mawa Barfi for you today.
I know it, sir.
How did you know that?
After all, I'm your student, sir.
I have it for you too also, Rishi. Come on. Bhikkhu! Bhikkhu! Raju is here. Bhikkhu! Hey, Bhikkhu!
Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group.